Alrighty, good morning everyone. My name is Chrissy. I'm one of the meteorologists here, and I will be doing today's Monday routine weekly briefing for today, November 9th, through Sunday, November 15th. So let's start off with tropical. We have 21 days left in the hurricane season, and we do have a busy map. So several hundred miles southwest of the Azores, we have a a cluster of showers and thunderstorms that are expected to gradually get better organized. And for the next 48 hours, we have a 50% chance. And the next 5 days, there's a 70% chance. But as you can see, this will not impact the United States. And then down in the Central Caribbean Sea, NHC has 0% for the next 48 hours. And for the next 5 days, medium or 50% chance of it being formed in the next couple of days. Moving on to Ada, the tropical storm Ada, 10 a.m. update. It has finally made the expected southwest turn, and it actually slowed down a little bit to 14 miles an hour. So it is moving away from the Keys and Florida for now. But as you can see, it's expected to turn again and move north into the Gulf of Mexico over the week. Very dry air will continue to entrain into the system, which will prevent any rapid intensification from occurring, as we usually see hurricanes or tropical storms intensify, especially this year. That's been the place that it's been intensifying. But we won't see that, hopefully, with this storm. It will not regain hurricane status as of today. As the NHC currently says, it will probably make some landfall Saturday morning, and remnants will make its way up north. So the upcoming weather pattern today, high pressure will move offshore today with sprinkles possible in the south and east this afternoon and evening. Rain chances will increase Tuesday as tropical moisture moves in from the south and east. Wednesday, slow-moving cold front makes its way across the southeastern U.S. and will continue through Thursday. Friday chances will mainly be in the southern coastal plain as the last of the cold front pushes off the coast. And weekend is a little uncertain as to whether or not Tropical Storm Ada remnants will move into our area or if it will stay into the Gulf. Models are in a disagreement for the weekend as what they're going to do with Ada, so we are watching that closely. Temperatures will be above average for the work week, becoming near normal for the weekend and after the cold front moves through. Expect temperatures in the low to mid 70s for the northwest and mid to upper 70s for the rest of the area. After the cold front, it will cool down into the low to mid 60s for the weekend. Precip forecast through the next 7 days. Again, today is mostly dry with a few sprinkles in the southeast. Rainfall amounts will range from 2 to 3 inches across central North Carolina, with localized 3+ inches in some areas. We are not expecting any major widespread flooding, but expect the usual localized urban and poor drainage areas that could cause some flooding possible. So WPC's excessive rainfall outlook today and tomorrow, nothing. But Wednesday is a marginal threat in the north and western parts of the area due to the slow-moving cold front moving in. And we expect marginal risk to continue into Thursday as well due to the cold front still making its way across the area. Severe thunder potential for the next 3 days, none today and none for our area tomorrow. And then as we get into Wednesday, with that slow-moving cold front approaching, there could be some embedded storms with some gusty winds. The 8 to 14-day outlook, courtesy of the Climate Prediction Center, for the middle of November, November 16th through the 22nd. The odds are favorable for above normal temperatures for central North Carolina and slightly below normal for precipitation next week. And the weather summary, we have the high pressure moving offshore today. Could be some possible sprinkles in the south and east this afternoon and evening. Wednesday through Thursday, slow moving cold front moves through the area, so it'll be very wet. And Friday through Sunday, rain chances decrease, keeping a close watch as we are keeping a close watch on the remnants of Tropical Storm Eta. Could move through our area, or again could be delayed or hang out in the Gulf. With the hazard and impact, just that marginal risk for flash flooding on Wednesday and again possibly on Thursday. And that will conclude today's weekly briefing.